Take a ride in the 2017 Chevrolet Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, remote vehicle start, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, center armrest, security system, fog lights, electronic stability control, compass, trip computer, power windows, heated front driver and passenger seats, rear window defroster, fog lamps, CD player, brake assist. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.